So you've decided to implement Hoshin planning. Everyone's excited. It all starts well. You train your leadership team in the process, develop the top-level plan, start the cascade. Then, all of a sudden, it's hard work. Before long, every manager has their own X matrix, multiple action plan, and bowler spreadsheets, all of which need to be kept in sync and updated in parallel. Suddenly, it's a mess. How do you enable the catchball dialogue? How do you capture and share metric and action plan updates? How do you systematically dig into root causes and drive the cadence of the monthly execution reviews? There's a real danger that Hoshin fails not because it isn't a great process, it is, but because the spreadsheet heavy lifting needed to support the process gets in the way. The good news is that there is a better way to manage Hoshin. i-nexus Hoshin planning software gives you all the benefits of spreadsheets, ease of use, instant familiarity, but without any of the drawbacks bringing together the X matrix, bowling charts, action plans, catchball planning, and countermeasures into one intuitive platform. A platform that is designed to scale as you expand the use of Hoshin and mature the process, or to provide a simple and easy solution if you would like to try Hoshin planning for the first time. Ultimately, as many of the world's most successful organizations have found, i-nexus helps you achieve more of your goals faster with less effort. But don't just take our word for it. Click here to request a demo today and start your journey to better strategy execution.